I think the main thing that sets Colorado joint replacement apart from other orthopedic practices is we are a very focused practice in what we do. We really take care of arthritic conditions of the hip and knee. We don't try and be everything for everybody.
As far as the care that our patients receive at AdventHealth Porter Hospital, we strive to have dedicated scrub nurses and circulating nurses in the operating room that are doing joint replacement over and over. The nurses on our postoperative floor are dedicated to joint replacement. They are not on a typical surgical floor. They are in a total joint unit.
What that has allowed us, however, is to focus all of our resources from research, from education, from mission work in one area, and makes us very subspecialized in that area.
And again, repetition breeds excellence. So we try to have dedicated teams, both in nursing care, in therapy care, in anesthesia care for our patients.
So we've been very fortunate to be thought leaders in our field in total joint replacement.
It's always important to be ahead on research, right? So here at Colorado Joint Replacement, we actually have 3 full-time research assistants. We're doing probably 10 to 15 or even sometimes 20 publications a year. And that really guides not only our practice, but at a national and international level, we've been leaders in the field.
We actually have a fellowship that was started at Colorado Joint Replacement in 2001, and we're very proud to say that in 2024, we have graduated 31 adult reconstruction fellows.
The fellows, when they first start in August, are brand new, and as they move forward through the year, they gain confidence, they gain knowledge, and that's really rewarding to see.
A number of patients are attracted to Colorado Joint Replacement because they know we're focused on research. They know we're lecturing all over the world. We have surgeons from all over the world come to our hospital to watch our surgical techniques, and I think that attracts patients to come. They want to be operated on by experts.